So, my friend, this time I'm traveling one of the most beautiful resort in a beautiful island named Rebak Island, which is in Malaysia. So, this is an island which you can say it's a private island. Imagine being on your very own private island, where the blue Andaman Sea floods with the secluded beaches and vibrant jungles across 390 acres of discovery. Imagine unwinding and vibrant Rebak Island, which is one of the most beautiful resort in Malaysia. So I have started my journey from my own place, that is Pune, to Langkawi Airport, which take 10 hours by flight, and then I took the private car for 1 hour journey to reach to the jetty, and then by stunning boat journey for almost 1.5 hours to reach to this beautiful magnificent island which is Rebecca Island. So this is the beautiful journey I have ever had, and here it is for you, my friends. Just watch.
Over a month ago. Can't get that.
So guys, this is
All right, now we can put this together.
my
This is
boat
fun. Right on these-
towards my hotel.
The whole thing buggered right up. Is that right, eh? That's good.
So from airport you need to take a grab, and then you need to get down over here, and then you will get this jetty. You will get the boat from this jetty. So my boat has started just now.
Yeah, when we did it was well, it's 2D to go. You have to. Yeah, I'm sure it's going to. I already.
So my friends, here I wanna say that just feel the blow of the air. It is really stunning while you are going to this beautiful island. It's absolutely stunning. You can really feel it. Now I will go towards my room by this golf car. Thank you. Thank you. This is my room. Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am going to show you my hotel. The hotel where I have spent already 3 nights. So as you see that this is a full sea beach, and there is a moon deck, and these all are small villa, and the most good part of this hotel is that the staff is very good. Staffs are very helpful, and the behavior is very nice. They are very polite. And just check this beautiful view. So here you can sit and take sun bath. The most important part is that the greenery. Just look at the greenery. Everywhere there is a trees and beautiful, air is blowing. So absolutely, this is a marvelous place if you compare with any other hotel in Langkawi. So highly recommended place. Please come if you want to visit Langkawi. Try to visit this place. And I have just come in front of the reception of this hotel. In this hotel, basically you will get the facility of playing different types of games, and like billiards. Then you can play table tennis. There is a gym also, okay, and they have very big swimming pool. And from the jetty to this hotel, they provide free boat services every 1 hour. So it's good that if you are going outside of the island, suppose if you want to visit any other place, or like if you are doing the sightseeing, then you just need to check the schedule of the boat,